I'm here on 113 Green Street in Waterbury. The camera currently is actually in the city. You can see that the city sewer is running on the left side there. I'm at 45 feet 6 inches out, and I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna pull back because there are some mechanical issue with the line. I'm gonna pull back slowly. There are some roots. You could see some roots here, right there. You have some more roots here on the left, on the right side of the pipe. And we have more here at this other joint. And there's a big boulder inside the line. There's a little rocks in there. And here there's what seems like as if it's a, I don't know what that is. There's something inside the pipe here. That there's a trap. The line does have a house trap, but right on top of it here, there's something like, I don't know if it's a piece of metal, but there's something direct inside of the house trap right there, as you can see. I'm gonna try and locate it later on, but right now I'm just showing you guys the line. Another joint with a little bit of roots there. Another joint with some more tree roots. And now I'm inside the cast iron. Uh, yeah, this is the cast iron here inside the house. I don't want to pull the camera all the way through, but I pull the camera out, and we're currently outside the clean out. I'm gonna go back in just to look at where the trap is, and then and we'll go from there.